Leverage employee feedback to create a winning culture for your organization with Quantum Workplace Feedback. Quantum Workplace Feedback helps you translate employee feedback into meaningful action, focused on encouraging employee growth, building authentic relationships, and boosting employee engagement. Our comprehensive feedback tool gives employees the ability to give and request feedback in real time while leveraging best practice templates. HR can push feedback requests out to the organization, like 360 or upward feedback. Any employee can also request feedback by clicking Request Feedback, selecting a template, choosing feedback providers, and launch. At Quantum Workplace, we understand that receiving and requesting feedback can seem uncomfortable, daunting, or overwhelming. So we've made sure that you don't have to go it alone. Once an employee has received feedback, they can invite others to look at their feedback and discuss feedback directly with a mentor or manager. This enables managers and employees to align on key themes of the feedback and set goals for growth and development. All of your organization's feedback results are collected and organized in our analytics feature. With all this information in one place, it becomes easier to identify where to make developments in your organization. Help employees grow and create a winning culture with Quantum Workplace Feedback.